even get here. Oh, bee! Ah! 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 Stop, bee! Bee! There's a bee! There's a bee! Whoa! Who's at that? That bee! Whoa! You can talk, bee? Of course I can talk! And I will use it now! This is the bee! This is the bee! This is the bee city! Oh, you can't talk that well. Is that right? Yes! I wanna know where is the shop! Oh, really? Take me there. Really? Take me. Come on, take me. Do you see that shop sign? Oh, yes, I do. Go in there. Okay. Oh, this will take a long day. This will be a long day. Are you sure you dare me to go in there? Yes, just do it. All right. Don't get mad. Whoa, who are you? Hello. Hello? Welcome to my shop. Oh, this is your shop, huh? I think your name is Noob Bear. Yes. Yes, my name is Noob Bear. Yeah. And why are you so taller than me? Go get something. How much this cost? 1,000 honey. Honey? Where did I get honey? Bacon man. Yes. I wanna talk to you. Okay. What, bee? I want you to know I'm your pet. Really? And if you want more to get honey, just mind those flowers. Oh, okay. I have a sugar in my inventory. Do I have to scoop them? Yes, okay. Hey, you're helping me? Of course I can help. I'm your pet. Okay, really. Oh, this gave me a flower fever. Ah, Peppy, are you done? Yes, your backpack is full. Oh yeah, I can feel it. It's so heavy. If you have a fill your backpack, I can help you. Oh really? Do that right now. No, I have to get to your hive. Okay, where is my hive? Just right there. Stop your name. Oh yeah, this is my name in the top. Oh, thank you, bee. If you want more bees, just go to you see that big egg right there? Yes. Yes, I can see it. Whoa, 1,000. That's a lot. Anyways, I want to show you where is your secret. Okay. Get up these mushrooms. Okay. Ah, ladybug! Don't get shot! Don't get shot! I can beat him. What? I don't want that. You're fine now. The ladybug get away. Thank you, bee.